Hello, I'm going to do a very quick video, if I can, talking about our whipped soap. Now, we get people who come in our shop and they've never heard of whipped soap before, so I'm going to show you two varieties that we've got. So whipped soap, we call ours a 3-in-1 whipped cream soap because you can use it on your hair, as a body wash and as a shave cream. And what they are is a really nice thick mousse consistency. Ours are quite dense and made from scratch. We don't use a base. And you can use them all over and they foam and bubble and create loads and loads of luscious lather. So that's one size. We put them, if they're coloured, we put them in these little jars, and if they are not coloured, we put them in these larger jars. So this is just one from our Lost Boys collection. This one's Boardwalk here. So we do all different scents, all different colours, loads of different varieties throughout the year. The only thing I will say is if you live in a hot climate, these do have a tendency to deflate. But if you've not tried them before, give them a whirl.